Now, let's watch these videos together.
Looking for where your money goes far? At Prixer Supermarket, you'll find everything you need at prices that'll make you smile.
Please don't burn me. I'll give each of you 5 billion naira. The lion! The lion is fallen!
Our heritage is our strength, and together we will build a brighter future for our community.
I dey feel say people dey watch us, so I better not talk and loud. Trouble dey fly.
Nupe is the best language in the world. If you believe that, say I'm proud to be Nupe.
Right. Don't try. See as everywhere just fine. This snow sweets me well.
Wait, I know you enjoy watching that amazing videos you just watched right now. Those videos were created by AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also be creating amazing videos like that with the help of Google VO3. Now, a lot of people have been asking me questions to show them how they can be using Google VO3 to be creating amazing videos like what they just watched a moment ago, like street interview, and also how they can use Google VO3 to create amazing video adverts. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google VO3 to create any type of videos you want, like video advert, street interview, movies, and lot. I'm going to show you the method and the best prompt which you can be using and be getting it with Google VO3 and be creating amazing realistic cinematic movies or videos which you want using Google VO3. So if that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can grow your massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also best side also you can be doing today and be making massive money for yourself, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you step-by-step method in which you can start using Google VO3 and start creating amazing realistic video for yourself, which you can be posting on your social media account, and you can also make money from it. This is step-by-step beginner friendly. I will show you every method which you need to follow as a beginner. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, the part you skip may be most important part you need to watch. So don't skip this video. Now let's get started. And to get started, all you have to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or Apple Store, and you go and download this application called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the app that I use to generate my prompt. So a lot of people know how to use ChatGPT already, but if you don't know how to use ChatGPT or you don't know anything about ChatGPT yet, ChatGPT is an AI tool which you can use for your research. You can use it to do a lot of things. So I use ChatGPT to even design images. So what you need to do is just to install the ChatGPT. I've already have it on my phone before and it's telling me to update. But I don't want to update now. I'll update later. But right now, let me log in and show you guys how to generate your prompt and also how to get started with the video making. Now I've logged into my ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT and I've generated a lot of prompt. Yes, I've generated a lot of prompt with ChatGPT, like those videos you watched a moment ago. I've generated some prompt with ChatGPT. Here you can ask ChatGPT anything and ChatGPT is going to do that for you. Let me show you guys some prompt ChatGPT has generated for me earlier. Like this prompt you are seeing right here was what I gave ChatGPT for this video. When I play this video, this is the first video that shows up when I play this video. This is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. As you can see, I say, help me create a detailed prompt scene. Bright supermarket in Minna, Niger State, Nigeria. The name of the supermarket is Fraser Supermarket. Object, a friendly Nigerian man in his earlier 20s, a white t-shirt with a caption, President Supermarket, written on his shirt, and a black trouser holding a milk carton. Action, he smiles at the camera, says, tell of a price and poor service. Come to where you get meat affordable. Welcome to Prezilla for fresh So as you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT for the first prompt, which generate that first video you guys see for the advert. So for example, I can just copy this right now and give it to ChatGPT that I want this prompt, and ChatGPT is going to do it for me. So let me copy it and show you guys how it really works. So as you can see, now let me copy. After copy, I'll go back to ChatGPT. This is just me explaining what I want, how I want the video should be. Make sure you watch this video to the end, never skip any part. Now, the next thing, you click on this generate here, and when you click on generate, you are going to see how ChatGPT is going to prompt this and give us a video scene which we can use to generate our video. Now, as you can see, this is our video scene. This is our video scene. As you can see, this is what ChatGPT give to us. Here is a published version of your detail from scene, written in a way you can easily use for your video generate or script. Prompt scene for video generation script. As you can see, location, environment, bright wall with a supermarket intention in Minna, Niger State. So this is all the prompt. So I can now copy this prompt right now and go into where I can generate the video. Yes, you can copy this prompt and start generating the video with Google VEO3. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can also do that. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part. I know a lot of people will be asking me question, how can you generate the video? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let me show you other prompts I use on those videos I played a moment ago when I started this video. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of prompts here which I've saved in my document. All these prompts are generated by ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the second prompt here. I also saved this one. I have a lot of prompts. I've deleted some ones, but if you need any of them, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to prompt it for you. If you don't know how to do it, I'm going to do it for you. Now, as you can see, this prompt says close-up shot in a dark forest, clean at dusk. A rich Nigerian man in a white designing agbada is thinking. So this one was the one that the man wear the white agbada. He was saying they should free him. This is the prompt I use. So ChatGPT also generate this prompt for me. All you just need to do is just to write something like this and give it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help you prompt the video. Now let me also show you another prompt here again. This one was, let's say, a Nigerian man in his mind 20 with putting on a cap, wearing a short dress, riding through the bustling street of Lagos on a bicycle. His eyes was dating. So this one was the one that guy was riding bicycle. That video that play at the beginning of this video, you see the guy riding bicycle. This is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT prompt the video for me. So this is what I gave to ChatGPT also, and ChatGPT helped me to generate the video scene, which I copied and gave it to Google VO3, and Google VO3 helped me to generate the video. You can also do this. You can also do something like this. Don't worry, I will show you how you can prompt your own. Maybe you need another prompt which you want ChatGPT to do it for you. Maybe you want to create Hollywood movie, you want to create Nollywood movie, or any type of movies or any type of video. You can just go to ChatGPT, for example. All you just have to do is just to tell ChatGPT, I want you to generate video prompt. As you can see, the way I'm writing video prompt, which I will be using in VEO3. Make sure you indicate so that ChatGPT understand what you want. Video generation. This is how I want the video to be. A man on his 20s. You can just write anything. Walking down the street of Lagos. So you can put something like this, and he said Lagos is the best place to be. So you can just write something like this. All you just need to do is just to explain your mind to ChatGPT. Just talk to ChatGPT as if you are talking to your friend. Tell him what you want, and ChatGPT is going to prompt it for you the way you want it. You said art as a professional. Then you click on go. Now let's see how ChatGPT is going to prompt this for us. As you can see, Google EF3 prompt. A young Nigerian man in his 20 years wearing a casual fit t-shirt, jeans, and as you can see, walking confidently down a. So you can read street in Lagos, Nigeria. The street is filled with colorful shops, busy traffic. Going, people are going about their day. The man smiled, money and says to camera, Lagos is the best place to be. The scene capture the so you can just, as you can see, this is what I just gave to ChatGPT, and as you can see, ChatGPT helped me to generate all the prompt. So I can copy this prompt right now and give it to Google VO3, and it's going to help me generate the video. But before we do that, let me show you this first prompt here. Let me copy this one. All I just have to do is just to tap on it, then I'll click on select. So let me copy this prompt location. This first one that says the supermarket. Let me copy it. Let me keep copying to the end. Now, this is the end. So I'll click on copied. Now I need to go to this website, which you can use as a flow. We call it flow, which you can use to generate the video using this text prompt. We'll just copy right now. Now let's go to the website. Now this is the website. As you can see, flow. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to bring you to interface where you can start generating your videos. But if you are coming for the first time, it will tell you to register, and you register with your email or your Gmail account or your detail. Then after you register, it will bring you to an interface like this. As you guys can see, these are some of the videos I played a moment ago. These are all the videos I generated. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on new project. And when you click on new project, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see where you are going to paste your link. As you can see, text to video here. You can see when you click on it, make sure it is on text to video. And after it's on text to video, then you click here also. You are going to see, as you can see, model here. Make sure you put it on VO3, as you can see first. That is the upgraded one. Now, after you put it there, the next thing you are going to do is to put your prompt here. And after you put your prompt, you are going to see this mark and you click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to start generating the video for you, and you are going to see the video. You are going to see the video and you can save the video. But I don't want to do that right now because I've already generated the video before. So you can also try it, and when you try it, you are going to see how it works. I also have a video which I've done this, how you can get started with this website, how you can get started, because in this website you need to unlock it before you can start generating video. So if you need that video, make sure you check my second YouTube channel where I teach how you can use AI. Make sure you search on YouTube. Yes, just search for Learn AI with Musa, and you are going to see those videos there, just the way you are seeing it here. So you can check on those videos so that you see how you can unlock this website and start creating videos. Now, when I come to my gallery here, I click my gallery, you are going to see a lot of videos which I've generated using this website called Flow for free. All these things are generated for free. So that is why I told you to check on that my YouTube channel so that you can see how you can unlock and open this website so that you can be using it to generate videos the way those videos you see moment ago for free. Yes, you can generate those videos for free. So these are a lot of videos which I've generated from this website. So if you need any of these prompts, or you need any idea, or you need more videos which will help you unlock your Google VO3 and start generating different type of videos you see out there, then you should go and check my YouTube channel. That my YouTube channel, I'll be leaving down the link to that channel in the description of this video, or you can just go to YouTube and search for Learn AI with Musa, just the way you are seeing right now displaying on your screen. and you see a lot of videos there that will show you how you can start using Google VO3 and also how you can be using AI to generate videos for free. So make sure you want to check those videos. Now, sorry, my network was bad. So as you can see, that is why it's still delaying, but don't worry, it's going to show up. Now, as you can see, it's still waiting for some minutes. Don't worry, I just want to show you guys videos that I've generated so far using the same method I'm showing you guys right now in this video. These are some of the videos I've generated so far. I don't want to waste so much of your time. So these are some of the videos. I don't want to waste it. As you can see, these are all advert videos I did. You can also be doing this for people and you'll be making money. Yes. All you just have to do after you have generated these videos, then you start posting it on your social media account. And when you are posting it on those your social media account, like your Facebook, TikTok, or any of your social media account, then you get it monetized and you start earning money from it. As you can see, these are the videos. This is also a war movie I designed using this method I just showed you a moment ago. So I know a lot of people keep asking me always on my channel that they don't know how to prompt. So just follow this method I just show you guys right now in this video, and you started ChatGPT and you prompt. And after you have prompt everything you want, you can also edit your videos. And after you edit your videos, you start posting it on your social media account and you get it monetized and you start making money from it. So this is how you can use Google VO3 in 2025 and be making massive money from it. So if you have any question or you have any challenges on how you can do this, you can let me know in the comment section of this video. Just comment VO3 in the comment section of this video and I'm going to respond to you and ask you your question so that I can help you on how you can start generating videos like this and be posting on your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube and be making money from it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.